Now let me carefully explain how to clone your voice using the AIV feature in the CapCut app on your mobile phone, step by step. Is the custom voice feature available in your version of CapCut? This allows you to create a personalized voice for your projects, as you can see here. You can easily create an AI copy of your voice for text narration in CapCut, as you can see here, making your projects more personal. It allows you to upload or record a sample of your voice, after which the system carefully learns from it and creates a personalized voice model just for you. Let's begin with step 1. Carefully locate the custom voice feature. Now, open CapCut and let's create an exciting project together. Now, let's enter the app and create a new project. As you can see here, we will choose an exciting project together. Next, let's add it to our workspace for further editing and customization. After that, we will click on Add Text and carefully highlight the text you want to use. Now, let's take a moment to find the right options to customize it further. Yes, we'll make sure everything is set perfectly for our project. Let's proceed. Now let's find the custom voice section, labeled My Voice, if it's available in your app. Once you've located it, we'll proceed to the second step. Here you need to record a sample of your voice. This is crucial for creating your unique AI voice model. Let's make sure everything is set up perfectly. Now, let's focus on recording your voice sample. CapCut usually prompts you to read a few phrases. Make sure to record your voice in a quiet environment. In a quiet space, you must speak clearly and without background noise, ensuring no one is talking in the background to distract from your voice. The higher the quality of your recording, the better the final result will be. Now, let's move to the last step together. Create your AI voice. After recording, you must patiently wait for the system to process your voice sample. It's essential to ensure everything is ready before moving on to the next exciting step. The processing doesn't take too long, and basically you should remember to save your created voices afterward for future use. This is very important. Select it in the text, and after that you'll have the text ready to be voiced over in your own unique voice. This allows for a personal touch in your audio projects, as you can see here. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching, and good luck everyone.